my setup. Little slider, 1 ounce. Do that again. Wow, look at that cast. Not too bad, dude. See that splash? Let that sucker sink to the bottom. And bounce it a little bit. Okay, let's see what I got here. Let's see what I got here. It's a big one, man. Look at that. Bent. Oh, see that? Yeah. Oh. Come on. Look at that. Look at that rod bend right there. Yeah, let's see what we have, huh? Stampede Reservoir. That sucker jumped out twice. I liked it. Oh, it's getting closer. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Getting closer. Ooh. What we got? What we got? Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that rainbow. Oh, beautiful. Look at that guy. Come here, pal. Come here, pal. All right, I'm just going to get it up real quick. I'm not going to hurt it, though. I'm not going to hurt it. You're all right, buddy. You're all right, buddy. Let me get it with this guy because I don't know where that hook is. There you go. All right, look at this guy, huh? Not beautiful. I know, pal. Let's try to get that hook out of his mouth. That's one thing I want to do. See how he swallowed it? Look at that. I don't like that when they do that. Let's get that hook out. There you go. Look at this guy, huh? Isn't that beautiful? Hey, what do you think about that, huh? Let's see. Hold on, bud. Look at this guy. This is a rainbow trout.
Yeah, it was like a trout.
Rainbow. All right, I'm gonna let him go back in the water. Man, that's a nice looking guy, huh? All right, pal. You weren't out that long. Let's get you back out there. There he goes. There he goes. See it? You got it. You can do it. You can do it. Well, all right. Here's the beer of the day. This Tahoe style blonde ale, Truckee blend. Whatever. It's 4.2, but looks pretty cool. Ooh, look at that barbecue pit and everything. But I'm here at Stampede Reservoir and gonna try this out. Cheers. Not bad. It tastes like a 4.2, but not bad. Truckee blonde.